In 3 minutes a day, you can reduce wrinkles and fine lines, stimulate collagen for firmer and fuller skin, calm redness, and promote healthy, glowing skin. 3 minutes a day. I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the Qure LED mask. I'm going to talk all about this today. In 3 minutes a day, you're going to change your skin. Red light therapy has been proven to improve your skin, but this not only has red light therapy, has blue light therapy. You can also schedule it. I'm going to show you how to do that on the app, and you can use both of them at the same time. So you can use red light therapy and blue light therapy. I'm going to explain a little bit about each of those and what they do, and I'm going to give you a tour of this mask, how to use it. I'm going to demonstrate it for you as well so you can see how easy it is to use. And again, it only takes 3 minutes a day. Red light therapy is going to help with reducing wrinkles and redness, smooth out fine lines, and blue light therapy is going to help clear up acne breakouts. This is the Qure mask. I'm just going to start telling you that it's really, really comfortable to wear. I love how comfortable it is. It has a strap, as you can see, fully adjustable so you can wear it comfortably. And as I said before, and I'm going to keep repeating this, it only takes 3 minutes to do a treatment. So 3 minutes a day is all you need to do. So I just will wear it while I'm making my bed. By the time I'm done making my bed, my treatment is done. Then I want you to see the goggles there. So the goggles are really, really comfortable to use. And the purpose of those is to help protect your eyes. So if you have sensitivity to light, that's what the goggles are for. You don't have to wear them. You can take them out. I personally like to wear them. I find them to be really, really comfortable to wear. Then we're going to look at turning it on. So when you turn it on, you're going to press the button. For 3 seconds, you're going to let go, and then you're going to press it again, and then you're going to get your red light. Now, if you want to go to the blue light, then you will press it again. So you don't have to use the app to use this, but as I said, the nice thing about doing it is that you can create your own treatment. You can do both red light and blue light therapy, which I think is fabulous. One of the things I feel like is so unique to this mask is that you can do both at the same time, schedule it as well. And I really like that. Then you have the cord, and you just plug it in when you have to recharge it. Really easy to use. You want to go ahead and plug it in first and fully charge it up, and then you're ready to go. Let's talk about the app. So you download the app, you download the Qure app, and then once you do that, you can connect your device to the app. When you do that, you'll see that you can either just go ahead and you can do an all anti-aging treatment, or you can work on if you have blemishes, or maybe you break out often or whatever, you can do that, or you can mix it up. So you can do some anti-aging, you can do some blue light therapy. You can decide what you want to do, and I really love that about this device. I just really love that. So after you do that, you can also plan out your treatments ahead too. So maybe you want to plan out and schedule out doing just anti-aging, or kind of mix it up, just so you don't forget like what days you did what. I mean, you can do it any way you want. It's really up to you how you want to do it. You could do the same treatment every day. It really doesn't matter. You're still going to get the benefits of using this. The biggest thing I want to tell you is to be consistent. To see results, you must use the mask, and you must use it every day. But I find that it's very, very easy to use because, again, how many times do I have to say it? It takes 3 minutes a day. That's it. Before you do your treatment, what you want to do is use this Qure mask on a clean face. So make sure that you are cleansing your face really good. I personally like to do it in the morning, but you don't have to. You can do this in the evening if you prefer to do that, whenever you want to do it. But you want to make sure that your skin is clean. Then you go ahead and you use your mask, and it's just really easy to do. It's relaxing. I mean, you could sit on your phone while you're doing it for 3 minutes, or make your bed like I do or whatever. So I just really love it. You will see results. Just be consistent using it. I really enjoy using this. I know that you will too. I will leave a link below with all the information. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.